All right, welcome to LearnWire. Now this is a special video. I'm going to be throwing a sale through the end of the year. This sale will be from December 23rd to midnight on January 2nd. This is your chance to get any of my courses that I've created over the last 3 years for 40% off. And all you have to do is use the coupon code ENDOFYEAR22. Stick around with me. I'm going to walk you through just a brief summary of each of these courses. Some of you have already enrolled in them, and many of you have not seen them. And I usually only throw a couple sales per year. I've decided to throw this end of year sale because it is, the Christmas season, and also a lot of people like to kick off the year with a new training, a new educational course. Maybe they're going to start a new side hustle. Many of my courses, or pretty much all my courses, teach you how to go out and use a different strategy to start making money online. And so that's why I'm going to let this sell all the way through January 2nd. That way, if it's January 1st and you're kind of sitting around the house trying to come up with New Year's resolutions, you're starting to feel motivated, maybe you can come back here and purchase one of my courses and get started. And hopefully 2023 can be the year for you to be prosperous and to, take your online business to the next level. So we have all these courses of Fiverr Profits Academy, PLR Profits Academy, YouTube videos fast using AI software, small YouTube big profits, and Affiliate Profits Academy. This is my ultimate course right here, over 10 hours. I'm going to show you that in just a sec. So all you have to do is go and grab, just take this coupon code, and it applies to all of the courses end of year 22. So let's go check it out. All right, so here's the first one. We're going to look at small YouTube big profits. Now, if you click on any of the links, I'm actually going to provide the direct link to all these below. I actually have a nice course page where it shows all the courses at once. I also have that link below as well. But if you just want to skip to one of these courses, that's fine. You can just click on the link below. Now, small YouTube big profits, I created a year or two ago, and it really tells the story of how I took one of my YouTube channels that has almost 10,000 subscribers. It's called Teach Me Money Methods. And I show you how I was able to grow the channel right over here and start earning with only 500 subscribers. I started making, I believe I made $13,000 in the first 6 months of launching that YouTube channel. So if you want like an over-the-shoulder case study type of video lesson course, then this is for you. I changed my pricing on all this. The pricing used to be super high, and I've made tens of thousands of dollars on these courses. They're still relevant today, and they can really open your mind to the possibility of what you can do in your business. But I really want to take down the barrier to entry to these courses, including this one. So you get it. You're going to be really surprised about the pricing. There's a video right here and so forth. You can just get all the details, all the proof of earnings, all that kind of stuff. And I even used to host these on Gumroad, all these courses. And so I'm showing some of the proof of the ratings right over here, 5-star ratings right over here. But I've since then moved all my courses to Samcart. I think it's just the user experience is, top notch. The quality of video, when you're watching the video, it's in high def, and it's just a really nice classroom experience. I would say it's similar to Thinkific and Teachable, only probably a level higher than that. And so that's why I moved to Samcart to host all my courses. So you can scroll down and check all this out. This is the checkout page over here. And if you put in the coupon code, you'll throw this coupon code in here, end of year 22, and you'll push the apply code button. Notice the price. It's going to give you 40% off. So that's $10 off this one. You're going to get this for under $15. You're going to enroll in this awesome course. And this course right here literally has 19 lessons over 3 hours of video time, and you're getting it for $15. So one other thing, just don't be taken back by the fact that it's asking for the billing address. I worked with Samcart on this and they actually require the billing address, and it prevents fraud, right? So because the billing address needs to match, it's actually a benefit to you and to me. The billing address is required, even though this is a digital product. I'm sure you guys are used to that, but just wanted to kind of point that out. It's so the address, if someone steals your card and then comes and tries to buy this course, they would, it would get denied because they wouldn't know your address, right? And they wouldn't be able to put your address in there and so forth. So just wanted to touch base on that real quick. We do have credit card options right here, and we do have PayPal option right here as well. And then just click the Enroll Now button. Let's move on to the next one. Finally learn how to make real money online using my unique methods. This one is PLR Profits Academy, one of my top selling courses of all time. It is 30 lessons, 2.5 hours, and I just added about a couple weeks ago, a brand new lesson to the course. This is freshly updated as things change with private label rights and so forth, and some of the sites that maybe a couple years ago when I made the course are not around anymore. I give alternatives and show you what's working today. I still make money every single day, every single month, get paychecks from PLR products that I have published and created ebooks on and created courses on and sold them on Udemy, all that kind of good stuff. So if this is right up your alley, then PLR Profits Academy. And of course, you're going to get a really good price on this one as well. It's $67 off, or $67. Put the coupon code in and you're going to get this for just $40 right there. Okay. Next one is how to create YouTube videos fast using AI software. It's 8 lessons long. This is a 1-hour course, and it's going to show you how to use AI. I also updated and put a new video out on this course as well, because I no longer recommend using artificial intelligence voice. It's just not, you're not going to be able to monetize your channel. It's as simple as that. Even the best software on the planet, Well Said Labs, you're not going to be able to, get your content monetized, especially if it's a new channel. They do, because I actually had one of mine shut down that was operating like this. So I have alternatives for that. I tell you what to do to work around that, but I also show you how to create videos with AI software and how to write your scripts with AI software as well. This is a really nice crash course. I was selling this for $59, but now you're getting it for a really, really good price. At the regular price is just $29. But if we put that coupon code in there and push apply, you're only going to pay $17.99 for this one as well. Okay, let's go look. We have 2 more left. This is Fiverr Profits Academy. And Fiverr Profits Academy, this one I'm really proud of. I actually did launch this one on Warrior Plus. Then I moved it over to Gumroad. But this is really a case study, and then showing you everything I know about making money as a freelancer on Fiverr. And I also show you how I made thousands of dollars doing it. So this is 3.25 hours long, 23 lessons and so forth. You can watch the video right there. I have an overview and you can read through the page, but here's all the earnings, $8,000 right there. $1,000 order right here that I got, and I'm going to show you a lot of my strategies. And then I just threw this one in here, updated. I turned my gigs back on, which is super cool. Once you build a profile on Fiverr, you can be gone for a year, turn your gig back on, and then land a $636 client. I created a video for them through $636 right there. So, and this is voiceover, video creation, AI content writing, article writing, YouTube script writing, graphic design, you name it. You can build a business on Fiverr. There's so many ways to do it. So that's what this one is. And this one also got 5-star ratings as well. And I'm only selling this for $47. But we're putting that coupon code in here and you're going to get it for $28. Last but not least, I saved what I feel the best for last. And yes, this one is going to be the most expensive. It's justifiable. It's over 10 hours of video training and how I make over $15,000 a month using affiliate marketing and YouTube. And no, it's not just from, AppSumo sales. That actually only accounts for about 25% of my income. So I teach you everything that I know about making money online and using YouTube, free traffic methods, affiliate marketing, where to get sign up to be an affiliate for several different platforms, the entire thing. This is for beginner all the way to expert level. Even if you're an expert affiliate marketer, you're probably going to learn a thing or two inside of here. It is how you can build a 6-figure online affiliate business, 56 lessons, 10 hours long, and so forth. Module 1, Affiliate Marketing 101, Affiliate Marketing Programs, choosing a niche. This is where a lot of people struggle. Keyword research for affiliate products, free traffic methods, paid traffic methods, YouTube. This is where the gold of the course really comes in, because I do specialize in YouTube, have multiple successful YouTube channels. LearnWire is just one of them. And we have funnels and strategies right over here. I mean, I even teach you how to put together a professional funnel and so forth for affiliate marketing. And then finally, getting motivated, getting your mindset right. And then all this income proof right here, we'll look through all that as well. So this one is my pride and joy. I put months of work into this to create this course. You even see my $130,000 in the last year right over here, and so forth. So this is my 997 course. I've since then dropped the price to just $497 right over here. So you're already getting 50% off what I believe this course is worth, which is a $997. And we're going to put this end of year coupon code in here and apply that. You're going to get this for just $298. Again, you have PayPal and credit card. So once again, I just want to say happy holidays. I appreciate every one of you. Anybody that watches my videos, supports LearnWire. This is just me saying thank you to you. This was a really big breakout year for me. I want to continue making good review videos for you guys, and then also introducing anything else that I'm doing in my business. I'm going to share it with you guys on this channel on LearnWire. At the same time, I make it a goal that I want to help as many people as I can. And a lot of the free content that I put out on LearnWire, I'm hoping that really does help you guys. Move you and move the needle in the right direction for you. I wish you nothing but the best of luck and success for your 2023 year in your online business. Once again, thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. And this is my last video of the year. I will be back fresh, ready to go after the holidays. The first week of January, you can expect the next video. Once again, thank you guys so much.